Do you know that you can build your own future and entrepreneurship and business simply by having a positive mindset? Do you know that mindset is more important than strategy, techniques, having diploma? Because I'm an entrepreneur and I'm building businesses out of scratch simply by having a positive mindset. And here today I'm going to teach you how to build your own mindset that you can do the same. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are an entrepreneur and you want to start a company, but you don't know anybody, you don't have money, and maybe you don't have business plan, or maybe you have pitched your own project to some investors, maybe they have rejected you, maybe everything has been collapsed. But if you have a positive mindset, you are going to win. It doesn't matter that at this moment you have money to do this project or no. The most important part is having a positive mindset. Why? Mindset matters. It is too simple. Because your own brain is working with vibrational frequencies. Okay? If you have a positive mindset, it means that your brain is transmitting positive vibrational frequencies into the field. And by doing so, you are affecting everything in this world. Okay? In other words, if you have a positive mindset, your vibrational frequency is going to change everything in this world to bring back to you whatever you have asked. Now, you may say, how can I use my own mindset? How can I make my mindset positive? The only way to make your own mindset positive is by using autosuggestion. Simply saying you should write some positive statements and repeat them to yourself, such as, I'm a winner, I can do this, I'm going to win, I'm going to make billions of dollars, I'm going to make 500 billions of dollars. But you must do this, not just watch this video and skip it and say, yes, I know this and that's all. Knowing is not important. Doing is important. You must build your own positive mindset simply by your own affirmations or suggestions from yourself to yourself. If you do so, you are going to have a positive mindset by building a lot of strong brain cells and neuropathways in your brain. And then those neuropathways are going to control your attitude, the way you look at the world. And you look, most importantly, to yourself. Because if you see yourself as a winner, you are going to win soon or late. But if you see yourself as a loser and we come to give you, let's say we invest in your company, 500 billions of dollars, you are going to lose. Why? Because you have a negative and loser mentality. But if you have a winner mentality, if you have a positive attitude, and if you don't have any money, your brain, your subconscious mind is going to attract to you from any place all the things that you need in order to materialize the thing that you want. It's a fact. It is a fact. And now you can start using the power of autosuggestion to tell positive ideas to yourself. And also, beside that, you should have persistency. You should be persistent in this procedure. In order to do what? In order to create and build a growth mindset or positive mindset to do the job. If you don't do this, you're going to give up and you're going to become a quitter, and quitters never win. You know that. If you want to win, firstly, you must have a positive mindset. And how can you develop your own positive mindset? Simply by thinking and feeling about what you want and stop the inflow of the negative vibrational frequencies that come to your mind constantly. And how can you stop that? By autosuggestion, by telling positive statements to yourself that I'm winner, I'm going to win. If you do so, money is not important. Having a plan is not important. If you don't know what to do now, it is also not important. The most important thing is that you have a positive mindset, that you can think and feel positively in the beginning and also during your own journey. If you do so, you are going to become really a top entrepreneur in the world who has billions or millions or trillions of dollars or euros or pounds. It depends on you. It's up to you to develop your own mindset, and it can be done. Because based on the neuroplasticity, we, all human beings, we have the capacity to do what? To change our brain. Because it's plastic and we can shape it as we want. Okay? But I know some of you may say, hey bro, we have here in our own environment a lot of negativity. Everything is negative. I'm completely broke. I don't know from where to start. I don't know anybody. Maybe you say investors have rejected my ideas multiple times and I'm devastated, I'm feeling bad. Look, it's just because of your own mindset. You've got to change it. How can you do that? Simply by using the power of autosuggestion. Simply by using your own mind to think positive. For more information, you should study. You should study, check other videos that I have on this channel. You can check the books that I wrote about entrepreneurship, about neuroscience, about psychology, about vibrational frequencies, about self-image, about all those things that you need. But you need to study and have a source that you can refer or go there for more information and for making a positive mindset. The only thing that is required is, do you want it? Do you want to create your own company out of scratch? Do you want to become rich? Do you want to accomplish that goal? It's up to you only. You must firstly want it. Okay? If you want it, it's enough. It's really enough, because you are going to get on that frequency. And if you are on that frequency, look, everything that is on that frequency is going to broadcast into your mind, and you are going to receive ideas, new suggestions, solutions. You are going to receive all those necessary steps in order to accomplish your own holy goal or mission, to better society, to add value into our societies, to build wealth. Okay? It's up to you. But in the beginning, you have to make a committed decision to do what it takes. And what is the first step? Making a decision and going after what you want. And how can you do all this? By having a positive mindset and be persistent in what you are doing. Because majority of us, we have the tendency to quit at the first defeat. You go to investors maybe, or maybe you write a plan for crowdfunding and they reject your idea. You say, bro, it doesn't work. It's finished. I cannot do this. And then you go. Look, you have a loser mentality if you are in this state of mind, and you will never win, and you will stay in anxiety. You are going to overthink. You're going to feel bad. But if you know what you want, if you study every day a little bit, you're going to have a positive mindset, you're going to think good thoughts, and you're going to feel good emotions. And then, if you keep focusing on what you want, everything in the world, really the entire world, will come to help you to accomplish what you want, because of only your own mindset and your brain that is transmitting the vibrational frequencies of what you want. I hope you understand my mean. If you want to learn more, check our channel, check our books that we have on Amazon, contact us for more information. Let me know your own thoughts in the comments, write your questions in the comments. I'm going to read as much as I can. I'm going to write to you the answers or the solutions or guide you. Here, I just wanted to help you to win. And also here, I'm going to show you a laptop. You see, this laptop is made by my tech company, Ilia Trudeau. And also this one here we have. This one is also from our own brand. You can learn more about me, our business model that we have, about our companies. You can contact me. You know, we can grow all together. And I'm going to teach you more about entrepreneurship and about brain, about all the things that you need. Love you all, and don't forget to check the videos will pop up here or here. And till the next one.